So today I got too much sun, and so I was thinking of making an aloe vera gel with jojoba and lavender essential oil, and so I thought, why not document it and share it with everybody. First thing I did was cut a leaf from my aloe plant. Then I put the leaf into a bowl so that it's at an angle and all the yellow sap can just ooze out of it. That takes about 10 minutes. Next, I'm cutting off the edges on each side that have the little spikes on them. Then I'll carefully slice it down the middle so I have 2 pieces of aloe. Now the fun part starts with scraping out all the aloe using a spoon. Now we're gonna whip it with a fork, or we can also use a blender until the gel becomes really smooth and thinner. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil, and then just simply take the fork again and blend it all together. So as my last step, I'm adding 4 drops of lavender essential oil, and then I'm blending it together and I'm transferring it into a container that I can seal airtight and keep in the fridge. Now I have a soothing salve for my skin that has aloe in it, jojoba oil, lavender essential oil, all very calming and soothing and regenerative for my skin that just had too much sun. Hope you enjoyed this and hope to see you next time.